Welcome to the Bulk Tool video. In this video, you'll learn how to use the OpenSRS Bulk Tool. Please note, the Bulk Tool only applies to the domain and email service. The functionalities differ depending on which service you are using. To access the Bulk Tool for domains, click on the Domains link at the very top. Next, select one or more domains and then click on the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you can select from the following: export.csv, change a DNS template, merge into profile, edit DNS, edit contact information, lock or unlock a domain, renew a domain, edit name servers, move to another reseller, move to or from storefront, and lastly, change contact privacy. To access the Bulk Tool for email, click on the email link at the very top. Next, select a domain. Then click on the Bulk Tools tab. First, you need to select the bulk operation type: bulk add, bulk modify, or bulk delete. To add in bulk, select bulk add. When you have extracted all of your user's mailbox information into a .csv file, you can copy and paste it here. It needs to be in a specific format, highlighted here. An example can be viewed here. When finished, click Submit. A green bar will appear to indicate that the command was successful. Next, to modify in bulk, select Bulk Modify. First, enter in a delimited list with default attributes and values. The format, useful keys for modifying, and an example can be seen here. For non-defaults, enter in a delimited list with username, attributes, and values here. The format, useful keys for modifying, and an example can be seen here. Lastly, for mass delete, select Bulk Delete. Here, enter a list of users to be deleted by using the format username. When a bulk job has been submitted, a notification will appear indicating that the job is in the queue for processing. From here, the Bulk Actions option will be available. Select Bulk Actions to view all of your queued jobs and their statuses. Important: the Bulk Actions option is only available when you submit a migrate or bulk job. In Bulk Actions, you can view the date and time, the description of the job, how it's progressing, and its current status. When you have multiple jobs, you can resume, suspend, terminate, or delete all. Select a job if you want to view more detailed information. And there you have it, the OpenSRS Bulk Tool.